So guys, hello mga kalindog. For today's video, we're going to eat or having our fettuccine alfredo. O diba? Sound social. Charot. Diba? In the Philippines, sound social, the alfredo fettuccine with chicken. Ayan guys, I will show you, huh? But guys, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So guys,
let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
let's go in my kitchen sa kusina ni Alindog. Ayan, I will show you what I'm going to, what is that? Wait lang guys. What is my lunch for today? So guys, I will show you, ayan. Because I love the fettuccine. Ayan guys, ang ating Alfredo fettuccine with chicken. O diba, bongga, bingo. So, we need to put first in the microwave. So, guys, I don't cook this. I only order in restaurant. Ayan. So, let's do it warm. So, painitin natin mga kalindog. Let's make warm. Painitin natin ng bonggang-bongga na kasing init ng aking kalindog. So, ayan, by the way guys, until we're waiting, my Alfredo fettuccine with chicken, let's say only first, make a shout out and hi, hello to Cecil, and Cecil from Cecil ano na nga ba, ayan, basta Cecil, and always there, ayan, si Cecil, ayan, si Lady Darna, of course, Chrissy, Sissy, and Cindy Lab, and Nix Jordies, Bakerstock, ayan, Court, hi Court Barrow, ayan, thank you for always support my channel, ayan, na nagbibigay ng support at ng nagbibigay direct sa bank to bank, o kaya di ba bongga, nagbibigay ng datong ang ating sugar daddy na si Court Barrow, ayan, thank you Court, but please try to talk English, not always Belgio. I cannot understand. And ayan, of course, thank you also to Justin Johnson. Ayan, si Johnson, Chevian, and Kevin. Ayan, guys, sorry for the other. I cannot say hello because I said only, saying hello only for the people who always I saw or see in my live and all my videos. So, ayan mga kalindog, we're going or having our fettuccine with chicken. So, titikman natin yan. We're going to eat. And let's wait until this is ready. Ayan, guys. Kasi miss ko yan. When I was in Italy or Rome, I always loved the fettuccine but made in home. Ayan, hand. Ayan, guys. So, I'm itching because it's cold. So, ayan, guys. Almost ready. So, ayan na ang ating Alfredo fettuccine. Of course, lalagyan natin siya ng more Parmesan cheese. Ayan, guys. O, diba? So, let's make again until 1 minute more. Ayan. Painitin natin lahat. So, guys, ayan. This is yummy na naman ang ating kakainin. So, guys, 30 minutes more. Ayan. Para mas bonggang-bongga. At by the way, let's get the Parmesan cheese. Ayan, ang ating Parmesan cheese, of course, hindi yan dapat mawala sa ating Alfredo fettuccine. So, ayan, di ba mga kalindog? Ready na ang ating... So, let's wait guys. Ayan, I'm hungry. Hungry. But, wait guys, I feel cold really. So, we need to put the, wait, lagay natin ang ating jacket, mga kalindog, because it's really cold. Ayan, giniginaw ang inyong alindog. Wait. Nasaan bang aking jacket? Well, by the way, let's put only this, guys. Ilagay na lang natin ang ating wind scarf. Ayan, cold. Because I don't know where is my, ayan. Para bongga naman, ganyan naman, guys. Diba? Diba? Parang, ayan, guys. The fettuccine alfredo is done. So, let's get it. Let's take it. So there we go, mga kalindog. Alfredo fettuccine is done. So ayan, let's put in here ang ating camera, ating cameraman na si TJC. Ayan guys, wait lang ha. Ano natin ng konti para you will, ayan, that's it, pansit. So ayan mga kalindog. So, let's enjoy our Alfredo fettuccine. O, diba? So, ayan guys. I'm gonna tell you only, no? Because I feel sad. I feel depressed again. Ewan ko ba, guys? Kaya dinadaan ko na lang sa kain. O, diba? Enjoy food. Charot. So, ayan guys. Yummy. Ang ating Alfredo fettuccine. Yummy. Ayan, mga kalindog. Tapos, meron siyang, ayan, chicken. Oh. Ang kanyang chicken is fillet chicken. So, i-try natin kung masarap to. This is no, that is German. They cook the German. Yan, the German company. But you know, guys, iba talaga ang paggumawa ng Italian. Diba? Let's taste. Kung talagang patok ang lasa sa pagiging fettuccine alfredo cheese. Ayan guys. Yung lasa niya ay hindi lasang from Italy. Iba ang lasa ng German pasta sa Italian pasta. Kasi, okay, I will tell you guys. Ang Italy, the dish from Italy, dishes is not too much heavy or not very fat. Yan, no? Na very, kasi ang mga Germany, ang German, I mean, nalilito ako guys. Ang German dishes is mostly is very, fatty food, very heavy. Ayan. Tulad ng nilagyan nila. I don't know what kind of, this is not a cheese maybe, or this is I think ano ba tawag dito? Cream. I don't know what kind of cream, but you know sa Italy when you said fettuccine, they're gonna put only like for example the eggs and the parmesan. So kaya yun ganon. Ito malalasahan mo na talagang nilagyan nila ng something. But anyway, ayan. Hindi pa sa, or it's not past for my taste na yung Alfredo fettuccine nila. It's a big difference, the taste guys. Hindi siya. Hindi. Para sa akin, hindi ko gusto. But, not because you don't like it, you cannot eat no more, no? Because I bought this, no? You know how about what plate of pasta here in Germany, the fettuccine, no? Well, ayan, kahit hindi siya okay siya, pero hindi siya masarap for me, ha? For my only opinion, o, di ba? Ayan mga kalindog, magana lang akong kumain, and I need to eat, because later, I'm going to work. Ayan guys. Magwo-work ang inyong alindog. Diba? At saka yung chicken, I don't like the taste. Parang lasang ipot. Sarot, sorry guys. May taste siya, ewan ko. Kasi ako guys, you know guys, when Italian dishes or Italian food, I'm very meticulosa. Because I know how to cook the Italian food. Ayan. Kaya alam ko yung lasa. At saka, ayan, like yesterday, I cooked the polenta. Oh my God, guys. Polenta is really yummy. Ayan, nagpolenta ako. Tapos yung, sayang eh. Kasi sometimes I feel lazy, guys. Kaya hindi na ako nagbablog yung kinakain ko. But if I want, I can vlog every day what I ate or what I eat. But, you know, guys, sometimes, you know. So, ayan. So, guys, ayan, thank you for watching, ha? I need to finish my food. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're not still subscribed with me. And guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to smile. Ayan guys, thank you. Thank you for watching. Ayan, cheers. Diba? So guys, ayan, thank you. Hindi ko na siya maubos dahil nga. So bye. Thank you guys. Thank you. See you again till my next video. Bye. Ayan, thank you. Mwah.